What's up, YouTube? Here we have a Nike Air Max 90, brand new colorway, sneaker review. This is the Air Max 90 Galaxy colorway. Came from Foot Locker. Here you can see there's a Foot Locker tag right there. Let's zoom right in. Got the Foot Locker tag on these. Size 12 Air Max 90. Brand new colorway, just came out. Let's just check out how they look. Right there, quick flash. Here they are, this is the Air Max 90 Galaxy colorway. Pretty interesting pair of shoes if you ask me. This is the first time I'm getting a close look at them. The patent leather swoosh is quite nice. Patent leather accent on the tongue, quite nice as well. All in all, this is a great pair of shoes. Pretty interesting colorway. This Galaxy colorway is pretty crazy. It's got some teal lace clips right here. Black and white speckle over here is quite nice. I will be throwing them on, so there will be some on-foot footage later in the video. Definitely check out the StockX affiliate marketing link to buy yourself a pair on StockX. You might be able to find a pretty good deal depending on what your size is. I know at the moment these are going for a little bit over retail, so don't be afraid to get yourself a pair. They might go up in value. They could just as easily go down in value, so don't take too much hope in what I'm saying. Conventional Air Max 90. Very unconventional colorway. Got some Galaxy related stuff going on the insole. Gonna pull up the second pair here. The second of the pair. No fancy box, always unfortunate. Notice the little Nike lace tag right here. Serial number 2020, Nike. Pretty cool shoe. It's always quite interesting to get a shoe that comes with one of these lace tags or whatever you call them. They're usually quite special, maybe slightly limited. What do you guys think? Do you think these will go up in value like the Air Max 90 Moon colorway, or do you think they'll do bad like the Mars Landings? The materials are pretty interesting. Quite a nice shoe. Let's check out how they look on foot, and we'll take it from there. So this right here is one of the 30th anniversary colorways of the Air Max 90. Other thing you might notice is it's quite reminiscent of the Galaxy Foamposites. Very similar colorway. On foot, they're quite nice. Very comfortable shoes. Air Max 90s are always quite comfortable. The colorway in specific, pretty fire if you ask me. Definitely check out the StockX affiliate marketing link to get yourself a pair. Link is in the description. I have a pretty serious appreciation for these sneakers. The colorway is very out of the ordinary, as I've said several times in this video. I really like the silver on the tongue right here. It's very flashy. I would be surprised if these sneakers don't go up in value significantly. Personally, I think these are really nice. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. I'm gonna throw on some joggers and maybe show you guys how they look with joggers. This is a pair of nudie jeans. There's an affiliate marketing link to get yourself a pair of nudie jeans in the description. The jeans look pretty good with sneakers if you ask me. So if I were you, I would probably check out the link. Gonna tone down the exposure here for just a second. This might be a slightly better representation of the colorway itself. Let me change my pants and show you how they look with joggers on. As you can see with joggers on, they're also quite fire. There may be an Amazon affiliate link to get yourself some Xanarobe joggers. Link's probably in the description. I can't complain, like these are some very nice shoes. I really can't imagine they go down in value significantly. Although this is like a very significant GR, like general release, like it was available at almost all the Foot Lockers and Champ Sports in my area. Quite a nice pair of shoes, if you ask me. Here they are up close and personal. The insides themselves are quite nice. One of my favorite parts of the shoe is definitely this chromed out patent leather Nike swoosh, along with this speckle right here. Again, this Nike patch on the tongue right here. One of my next favorite parts of the shoe. I gotta say, all this space type material here, it's quite lightweight. I'm not suggesting it's made out of anything fancy, but the fact that the shoe is light makes it quite comfortable compared to other Air Max 90s I've thrown on recently. All in all, this is a great colorway of the shoe. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe to the video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, excuse me. Check out the affiliate marketing links in the description. Let's see if I can show you the sole one last time before I end the video. As you can see, it's got quite an interesting little pattern in there. Galaxy related pattern, of course. This is the Air Max 90 Galaxy colorway. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the affiliate marketing links in the description. Goodbye.